Hi friends, as you have seen in the thumbnail that we are going to discuss Global Financial Center Index 33 in this video. So this video would form very important part of your IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 Paper 2 examination. So without any delay, let's begin with the exam. So friends, very good morning and welcome to IXMB. So the first thing that we are going to see is the unique thing about the report. See, the image that you can see is being created by artificial intelligence tool, and this is being written in the report as well, but they have not mentioned what exactly the tool is, but this is being created, right? So this does also remind us how AI is going to transform the future, but that's not the point of discussion, so we won't extend it. But yes, this is something unique. Probably you might get a question, so that's why I thought of mentioning it here. So let's move to the next one, that is regarding who releases this data, right? So see, very important, I'll keep this lecture very short. So the first report that was published is in 2007. One thing to remember. Second thing, this report is published twice a year, right? Somewhere around September and in March. So every year you will get. Then the next thing is who publishes this data. This is by ZN Group in London and CDI, China Development Institute in Shenzhen. So these two collaborate and publishes it. So right now what we are going to see is the 33rd edition, right? So you remember few days back we have also seen 32nd edition, but now this is 33rd edition. So if you want to see 32nd edition, you can always check in the I button above at the top right corner of your screen. Let's move and let's see how is data prepared, right? So the data is prepared by the Global Financial Center Index compares the competitiveness of the leading financial center across the world. And where do they find the data? They find the data from the World Bank, from the OECD, from the Economic Intelligence Unit. So see, this report is not, a direct survey. This is a, secondary source where the primary data is from World Bank, OECD, EIU. Based on all these factors, they compile, right, using 153 instrumental factors. So this is specific about 33rd edition, GFCI 33rd. So they have compiled 153 instrumental factor. These qualitative measures are provided by the third parties including World Bank, EIO, OEDC and the United Nations. So this is something that you will have to remember. Probably you might get a question regarding 153, regarding the parties involved, right? Let's move, and the next question is top 3. What is the rank? See, this is just about ranking, so we'll keep our discussion limited to ranking only. So the ranking is something like this. In the first position, it's the New York Financial Center. The second is London Financial Center. The third one is Singapore Financial Center, right? And I don't have to mention that, you will have to remember this 3, right? So the next thing is, let's see the top 10 data. So it's New York, London, Singapore, then comes the Hong Kong, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Shanghai, Chicago, Boston, Seoul. So this is the top 10 ranking. This is the rating. Based on this rating, the rank is prepared, right? Probably see, this is not important. Ranking is obviously not important, rating, but rank is important. If you see GFCI 32, this was their rank. But again, no need to check GFCI 32 since we have 33. So you can expect question from 33 only. This was released in the month of March 2023. Let's move forward and let's see the highlight from India. So Mumbai is ranked at the top when it comes to India, but the world ranking for Mumbai is 61. Then comes the New Delhi, which ranks 65 and second in India. Then comes the Gift City, Gujarat, which ranks 67, right? Important thing to note, 61, 65 and 67. If you have seen the GFCI 32, the rank of Mumbai was 70, the rank of New Delhi was 68, the rank of Gift City, Gujarat was at 75, right? You will have to remember this. Now let's move, because the this was the only thing that you should be knowing from this data. Rest everything is covered in the static portion of the PDF that we have shared. So thank you and all the best for all the exams that you are preparing, specifically IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 examinations. Unfold your potential with IXMBA, and always remember IXMBA helps you prepare 50% faster.